China has just created the most advanced military aircraft in the world, leaving the United States behind for the first time in history. From stealth fighters that no radar on Earth can detect, to combat drones that make decisions mid-flight with no pilot on board, to a strategic bomber capable of reaching any point on the planet without being seen. These aren't paper projects or distant concepts. These are real aircraft that are already flying and are forever changing the way wars are fought in the sky. Today you'll discover the 8 most groundbreaking and revolutionary Chinese military aircraft in the world, and what you'll see at number 1 will completely redefine what you understand by military power. Number 8. Tangen TB001. Imagine a combat drone as large as a passenger plane, capable of flying for hours without anyone detecting it. That's exactly what the Tangen TB001 is, nicknamed Twins because of its unmistakable twin-tail design. This attack and surveillance drone was unveiled to the world in 2021 at the Zhuhai Air Show, and it made an immediate impact. With a wingspan of nearly 20 meters and the ability to carry anti-tank missiles, guided bombs, and advanced surveillance systems, the TB001 is no ordinary reconnaissance drone. It's a full-fledged war platform. What makes it especially dangerous is its endurance. It can operate for over 35 hours straight, covering vast territories without needing to refuel, and all of that with a radar profile small enough to slip through undetected. China is already exporting it to allied nations, which means this technology isn't staying within its borders. Number 7. FH-97A. If there's one aircraft that represents China's quantum leap in advanced combat drones, it's the FH-97A. Also unveiled at Zhuhai 2022, this stealthy flying wing drone bears an uncanny resemblance to the American XQ-58A Valkyrie, but with differences that make it even more ambitious. The FH-97A is designed to operate alongside manned fighters as a loyal wingman. A smart drone that flies in formation, executes decoy maneuvers, launches missiles, and acts as a shield against enemy defense systems, all of it semi-autonomously. Its flying wing shape drastically reduces its radar signature, making it extremely difficult to track, and its artificial intelligence system allows it to make tactical decisions in real time without waiting for instructions from the ground. This isn't science fiction. This is the new Chinese aerial combat doctrine, men and machines operating together, multiplying their effectiveness exponentially. Number 6. Shenyang J35. For years, China was the only country in the world, apart from the United States, simultaneously developing 2 fifth-generation fighters. The J20 was the most well-known, but in the shadows, another fighter was quietly taking shape. The Shenyang J35 is the most advanced carrier-based fighter China has ever built, designed specifically to operate from aircraft carriers. This fifth-generation stealth fighter is set to completely transform China's naval power projection in the Pacific. With top-tier stealth technology, the ability to carry weapons in internal bays, which preserves its radar invisibility, and upgraded engines that give it exceptional maneuverability, the J-35 puts China on par with the world's greatest naval powers. And the most striking part, there's an export variant, which means China plans to become a global supplier of fifth-generation fighters, a move that just a few years ago seemed completely unthinkable. Number 5. Changdu J20. The J20 was already a statement of intent. When China unveiled it in 2011, many Western analysts underestimated it. Years later, no one dares do the same with its evolution. The J20. This 2-seat variant isn't simply a training version. It's a next-generation airborne command and control platform. The second seat isn't there for an instructor. It's designed for a specialist operator managing swarms of combat drones from the air. The J20 turns the pilot into the brain of an entire fleet of unmanned aircraft, coordinating simultaneous strikes, overwhelming enemy defenses, and executing maneuvers that no conventional defense system can process. It's the first step toward a new form of aerial combat where a single manned aircraft can multiply its firepower by 10 or 20, and China is already testing it under real conditions. Number 4. Shenlong. There are military aircraft, and then there's something else entirely. Shenlong, whose name means divine dragon, belongs to a category that very few countries in the world have explored: military space planes. Similar in concept to the American X-37B, Shenlong is a reusable unmanned vehicle capable of operating both within Earth's atmosphere and in low orbit. It has already completed several secret long-duration spaceflights, some lasting over 270 days, performing maneuvers that Western intelligence agencies have yet to fully explain. What does it do in space for so many months? Theories range from testing military sensors to developing capabilities for interfering with enemy satellites. What is clear is that Shenlong blurs the line between aviation and space warfare, and that makes it perhaps the most strategic project on this entire list. Number 3. Dark Sword. When the first leaked images of the Dark Sword appeared, many thought it was a video game prototype. Its design was too aggressive, too extreme to be real. It was real. The Dark Sword, officially known as the CH-7 or Legion, is a supersonic flying wing combat drone with top-tier stealth capabilities. Its diamond shape and ultra-thin profile make it one of the lowest radar signature unmanned aircraft ever built. But what's truly revolutionary isn't just its design, it's what its existence implies. The Dark Sword was conceived from the very beginning for air-to-air combat between aircraft, something unprecedented in drones until then. It can pursue, maneuver, and engage other fighters with no pilot on board, at speeds no conventional drone can match. It's the world's first drone designed to win dogfights, and that changes absolutely everything we thought we knew about the future of aerial combat. Number 2. WZ-7 Flying Dragon. There's one type of aircraft that militaries value above almost any other, one that can see without being seen, one that can operate at altitudes where no enemy missile can reach it, one that can stay airborne for hours, scanning hundreds of square kilometers in real time. The WZ-7 Flying Dragon is exactly that. With a wingspan exceeding 25 meters and a flying wing design optimized for ultra-high altitude flight, the WZ-7 operates above 18,000 meters, beyond the reach of most conventional air defense systems. Its sensor suite can monitor troop movements, warships, and missile systems in real time. In the context of the Taiwan Strait or the South China Sea, an aircraft like this isn't just a surveillance system, it's an immeasurable strategic advantage, seeing everything your adversary does before they can react. The Flying Dragon doesn't attack, but without it, no Chinese attack would be possible. Number 1. Xi'an H-20. And we've reached number 1. The aircraft China has been hiding for years. The one Pentagon analysts have been anxiously awaiting for a decade. The one that, when it finally enters service, will completely redefine the global strategic balance. The Xi'an H-20 is China's first stealth strategic bomber, and everything we know about it suggests it was designed to compete directly with the American B-21 Raider. Featuring a flying wing design similar to the B-2 Spirit, the H-20 would have an estimated range of over 10,000 kilometers, enough to reach targets on American soil from bases in mainland China. It's designed to carry both precision conventional weapons and nuclear warheads, all with a radar signature comparable to that of a bird. China has shown fragments of the H-20 in military promotional videos, enough to confirm the project is real and well advanced, but the specific details remain one of the best-kept military secrets in the world. When the H-20 officially flies, and all signs point to that day being close, the world will know that China hasn't just caught up with the West in military aviation. In some respects, it has surpassed it. These 8 aircraft aren't lab projects or the dreams of ambitious engineers. They are real programs with real budgets, developed by a power that has spent decades systematically investing in dominating the skies of the 21st century. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to leave a comment. Which of these aircraft do you find the most impressive? The stealth of the H-20, the intelligence of the J-20S, or maybe the mystery of Shenlong? See you in the next video.